Today, I'll show you how to work with PDF documents directly in Procreate without using additional apps. Exporting drawings to PDF. Let's start by creating a PDF file from your artwork. Imagine you have 3 project pages that need to be combined. 1. Open the Procreate gallery and tap Select 2. Check the boxes for the files you need, in our case, 3 pages, 3. Tap Share PDF 4. Enter a file name or keep the suggested one 5. Tap Done, then Save to Files, for example to iCloud Drive. Done. Now your PDF file is saved and available in the Files app. You can open it to view. It will open as a regular multi-page PDF document, importing PDF into Procreate. Now, let's imagine the opposite situation. Someone sent you a PDF file and you want to edit it in Procreate. How do you do this? 1. Find the PDF file in the Files app. 2. Tap and hold on it. 3. Choose Share or tap the export icon. 4. In the list of apps, select Open in Procreate. Notice an important detail. When a PDF opens in Procreate, each page is automatically placed on a separate layer. You'll see all pages in the bottom panel thanks to the Page Assist feature. Editing PDF. Now you can edit each page. 1. Open the Layers panel. 2. If needed, turn off Page Assist. Then you can work with each page as a regular layer. 3. Make your edits, draw, add elements, fix details. 4. When you finish with one page, switch to the next one. For example, I'll add a small drawing to one of the pages, let's say a heart, to show how it works. Exporting edited PDF. After making changes, you need to save the file as a PDF again. Here's where it's important not to make a mistake. 1. Tap Share, wrench icon. 2. Pay attention. There are 2 panels with the PDF option. Top panel, Share Image, will save only the current page. Bottom panel, Share Layers, will save the entire stack. 1. To save all pages, choose PDF from the bottom panel. 2. Tap Save to Files. Now let's check the result. Open the file in Files, and we see that all 3 pages are there and our heart appeared on the right page. Perfect. Advantages of working in Procreate. As you can see, Procreate fully covers your PDF needs, creating multi-page PDFs from individual drawings, opening and editing ready-made PDF files, convenient layer management through Page Assist, quick export of results. You don't need third-party apps like I Love PDF or other converters. Everything you need for working with PDFs is already in Procreate. This is especially convenient when you're working on a client project and want to send them a finished PDF presentation or page stack directly from one app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel to learn even more useful features and Procreate secrets. There's lots of interesting content ahead.